If you own a tank scale with METTLER Toledo weighing equipment, you are familiar with the high quality and proven performance of METTLER Toledo products. Traditional tank scales often fall victim to the same problems, including hidden load cell errors, which lead to bad product quality. Load cell faults cost money, not only in relation to poor production quality and material loss, but also in regard to degradation of brand reputation and loss of customers. Why continue to repair and replace vulnerable equipment that is likely to fail again when you can eliminate these problems with a simple upgrade? Before you fix or replace your tank scale, consider upgrading to the latest power cell weighing technology, which will save you money, make your weighing equipment more reliable, and improve the quality of your processes. A complete upgrade could take as little as 1 day and at a fraction of the cost of a new scale. An upgrade consists of replacing the load cells and load cell cables, removing the analog junction box, and upgrading to the powerful IND 560 PDX or IND 780 PDX scale terminal. In some cases, worn mechanical parts may also need to be replaced. All systems and components include an industry-leading warranty supported by a global network of expert METTLER Toledo weighing professionals. Power cell technology enables you to identify potential faults quickly and react before serious costs occur. The power cell weighing system constantly monitors each load cell and alarms the user when weighing results become uncertain. With the upgrade to power cell technology, you gain process reliability and benefit from reduced maintenance costs. Before you fix or replace your tank scale, contact METTLER Toledo for more information on cost-effective tank scale upgrades.